Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage marketing strategies with Buffer, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin managing your marketing strategies with Buffer, first, visit the Buffer website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once you have logged into your account, you'll be taken to your dashboard, where you can view all of your linked social media accounts. To connect your social media accounts, click on the Manage Social Accounts option in the Settings menu. Select the social media platform you want to connect, such as Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, and follow the prompts to authorize Buffer access. After linking your accounts, navigate to the Content section on your dashboard. Here, you can start scheduling posts by clicking on the Create Post button. Choose the social media account where you want your post to be published, and then enter your content in the provided text box. You can add images or videos by clicking on the Add Image button right below the text box. Once your post is ready, you can either share it immediately or schedule it for a later time. To schedule a post, select the date and time from the scheduling options available. After configuring your preferred time, hit the Schedule Post button to finalize your selection. Next, access the Analytics tab to monitor the performance of your posts. Here, you can view engagement metrics such as likes, shares, and comments for each post. Use these insights to assess which types of content are performing well and adjust your strategy accordingly. Additionally, make use of Buffer's queue feature, which allows you to manage your scheduled posts efficiently. You can reorder or remove posts from the queue as needed based on your marketing priorities. Finally, experiment with Buffer's publishing tool to find the optimal posting times for your audience engagement. With these steps, you're now equipped to manage your marketing strategies effectively using Buffer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.